Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like makeup, fragrance, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm gonna give y'all my 2 cents on the Yum Pistachio Gelato by Kayali. My review may seem a little late, but that's probably because a lot of people threw theirs up real early. I mean, it was a whole lot of first impressions thrown up real quick, because I mean, the girls wasn't even giving it a whole day's wear test. They wasn't giving it 5 minutes. They spraying it on their hand out the box and throwing up a review. I'm like, dang, like, that's what we doing now? I want reviews like everybody else, but girl, I had to actually wear the fragrance to give y'all an accurate review. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, these girls, woo. I mean, the whole launch was a debacle anyway. I mean, we always get like a sneak peek of what the fragrance is gonna be, but all of this stealing from Mona and all of that, like, we watching reviews, we don't know if they got the real fragrance, the real formulation, or nothing. You know what I'm saying? And it's real disrespectful because Mona does do a very good job with her campaigns. Like, even if you don't think you want a Kayali fragrance, when she do the campaign, you be like you want it. You know what I'm saying? So she does an amazing job with all her campaigns. But the stealing is crazy. And then the retailer glitch, where some people got it early. I did participate in the retailer glitch, Mona. Don't be mad at me, girl. You know what I'm saying? I spent my money, though. You know what I mean? I gave you your point. But yeah, that was crazy too. But I said all that to say, like, watch whose reviews you're watching and make sure you're getting an accurate review of somebody who actually wore the fragrance, actually wore the real fragrance, to give you a thorough review. So here we are. This ain't gonna take long. I'm gonna give you our 2 cents because I mean, y'all done heard it all by now. So I'm loving the nice bright color of the box. Of course, it's perfect for spring and summer, and I think it's a really nice fragrance for the spring and the summer. Now, I'm going to compare my review to a lot of reviews that I saw. A lot of people were saying that it is not gourmand enough. They were disappointed because it wasn't giving them the gourmand, the sweetness and the richness that they wanted from it. Y'all don't really know what y'all want, because if she would have made this thick, rich, sweet, and dense, y'all would have been like, well, this is more of a fall winter fragrance, and I'll have to put this up till October, so I'm really not sure why she dropped this right now. Y'all would have found something to complain about. So now that she dropped a gourmand that I do feel is appropriate for the spring and summer, y'all want to complain about that. Now, a lot of people is getting soap. I don't know if y'all just using a whole lot of new body washes now and everything just smell like soap to y'all, but this don't smell like soap to me. And another thing, people are like, it's not thick and rich and dense and sweet. And have you ever had gelato, girl? It ain't like ice cream. Gelato is more light and airy with a sweetness to it, just like this fragrance. So on the back of the bottle, you know, it has the pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy. I really don't get the sweet rum unless that's what the effervescentness is to my nose. You do get the pistachio gelato, it's nice and creamy, and you get the whipped cream, and I feel like you get the cotton candy. Not so much marshmallow, but definitely whipped cream and cotton candy. I feel like you get that light, airy sweetness with this. It's not like super thick and dense, and I think that's very appropriate for spring and summer. It has a effervescentness to it, something like lemon limey. So the bergamot is definitely there, giving me that zesty lemon limey vibe. Okay, so you know how root beer float. You know, y'all know what a root beer float is, right? I don't like root beer floats because I don't like root beer. But I always liked Coca-Cola floats or cherry Coke floats. I like those. This smells like a Sprite float with pistachio gelato on top. That's what this smells like. It's got the lemon limey, like fun, effervescent zestiness, and it's got the sweet creaminess with the gelato and the whipped cream and the cotton candy. It's light and airy. This is a nice, easy reach, grab and go, you know, fun, flirty type of fragrance. Not deep, dark, mysterious, sexy, none of that. It's just fun, playful. Grab it to go run errands, grab it to, you know, go shopping. You could even wear it to a brunch. You can do anything like that. Something definitely daytime. As much as I love this bottle because it's matte and it's bright, and when it's sitting next to all my other Kayali fragrances, my eyes are drawn right to it. Like, I look right at this one and I want to pull for it. I like this one better than Eating Juicy Apple. Me personally, I would grab this more. I don't know if y'all can see how much I used it. Can y'all see my little dent when I shake it up? But it's like, where we at? We like down here, girl. So I wore it good too, to make sure I can give y'all an accurate review. Now, like I said, I really do like the fragrance. I think it's fun, it's playful, it's appropriate for spring, summer. It's a spring, summer gourmand. The longevity is not great. I got like 3 hours, pushing it to the 4, but definitely at 4 I definitely had to top up. And that was okay. You know, I'm not wearing this anywhere too serious where it has to just be on me blowing up the whole room or nothing like that. This is more in your scent bubble, definitely closer to the skin type of fragrance. I don't think it's going farther than an arm's length though, you know. So I do think this is fun and flirty and cute for the spring and summer. And like I said, I like the bottle, the brightness. But as far as it being an intense version, I feel like this could have been in a clear bottle with the green juice, and it would have been cute with the other, you know, clear bottles. I don't feel like this is an intense version. I don't feel like I get as long as I get like with Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper or Vanilla Royale or Elixir. I feel like those last longer for me than this one did. But, you know, I know she was going for the nice, you know, pistachio gelato color bottle, so I get that. But I don't feel like it's an intense version. At least not for me, it's not. Now, like I said, Mona lives in Dubai, I believe. So, you know, it's hot there all the time. So, you know, this might be bouncing off her skin a little different than it is on mine because it's still cold here. So, we'll see how it goes. But I can see me still, you know, just taking a cute little decant of it. But I really do like the fragrance for an easy reach, grab, and go. Like I said, I feel like I get the light, airy creaminess of the whipped cream, the cotton candy. Not really getting the hazelnut as much. I don't know if as this ages and it may get a little sweeter, I might get more of the hazelnut later, but I'm really not getting that right now. I'm definitely getting the bergamot, a little bit of pistachio, but the pistachio isn't super nutty. I'm personally not getting any woodiness. I heard a lot of people saying they were getting woody and cedar and woods, and I'm not getting woods. If any kind of wood that I'm getting, it would be sandalwood to make it like it's a creamy sandalwood, but I'm not getting anything that smells, you know, really woody to me. Something definitely tickles my nose when I smell this though. So I don't know if that's the cardamom tickling my nose, but it doesn't smell like the traditional cardamom. But something definitely tickles my nose when I smell it, which is why I feel like it has that effervescent, like Sprite type of bubbliness to it. But yeah, so it's not too much that I have to say about it. I do like it. I like the fragrance. I think it smells really good. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. I don't get soapiness. I don't get woodiness. I don't get any of that. I just get fun, flirty, sweetness, some citruses, and that type of vibe. So it's giving me the Sprite flow with pistachio gelato on top, and it makes me want to wear it for warm weather. Other than the longevity, it's really cute and I like it. And like I said, I even like it, me personally, I like it better than Eat and Juicy Apple. I feel like I would gravitate to this more than that one. Mona did recommend you layer the two together, so I will definitely try that. I didn't try any layering combinations with this because I really just wanted to test this out. But for all the girls that wanted to be sweeter and thicker and denser, I mean, hello, just put vanilla 28 with it like y'all do everything else and you'll be fine. So if you're looking for something super thick, super rich, super sweet, decadent, gourmand, food-like this ain't it, girl. This is a spring summer gourmand, just like any other spring summer gourmand or spring summer vanilla. It's light, airy, fresh with some sweetness to it. And it's fine for me. I like it. Since it's been so many mixed reviews on it, definitely get you at least a travel size or a mini of it and try it out first. You know what I'm saying? I can't say run out and go grab it because I like it, because it's been reading off people's skin so differently. I don't even know what to tell y'all. You know, some people getting soapiness, some people getting woodiness, some people getting, you know, just all citrus. Like, so I don't know. Get you a mini or a travel size and try it first and see if you like it, and then go from there. So that is my review of the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. Hopefully you like this review. Make sure you like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.